Here's a really cool mid-size SUV at a really great price. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. Today I'd like to show you this 2024 Nissan Rogue SV. Your SV gives you the most bang for the buck in the Rogue lineup. Around back, rear park assist sensors, chrome rear bumper protector, lots of cargo room, optional cargo mat, even a neat little first aid kit. Power lift gate, backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. Gorgeous 18-inch argent colored alloy wheels with a great set of tires. Plenty of room for your rear seat passengers. They also have the comfort and convenience of rear heating and air vents and dual USB charging ports in the back of the center console. It's Everest white pearl with charcoal and gray interior. Tinted windows, color keyed door handles, color keyed mirror caps, LED daytime running lights, LED headlights, forward collision sensor in the middle of the grille. It's also equipped with passive keyless entry, bucket seats, power seat, embroidered floor mats, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, blind spot monitor located in your rear view mirror that also comes with rear cross traffic alert, power tailgate controls, automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, in the wheel, paddle shifters, audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and intelligent cruise. Only 11,000 well cared for, 1 owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Backup camera, dual zone climate control, push button start, more USB ports, a 12-volt outlet, console shifter, electronic parking brake, keyless entry key fob with remote start and power tailgate release, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, and a universal garage door opener located in your auto dimming rearview mirror. If you'd like to know more about this 2024 Nissan Rogue SV, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.